This absolutely enchanting 3-bedroom bungalow is located in the desirable neighborhood of Gaspee, blocks from the shops and restaurants of Pawtuxet Village. Light fills this charming home that has been completely updated and meticulously maintained. Gleaming hardwood floors shine through the airy floor plan. Entertain family and friends in the large living room or enjoy meals together in the adjoining dining room. 2 generous bedrooms, including the master bedroom, are located on the first floor and are ideal for any living situation. Completing the main level is a convenient tiled bathroom and an updated galley-style kitchen off the dining room. The rear deck overlooks the fenced-in yard with a 2-car garage and plenty of space for outdoor gatherings. A truly delightful and special property. Upstairs is a spacious landing leading into a sizable multi-purpose room that can be converted into a playroom or office. A large 3rd bedroom with a vaulted ceiling can be found on this level as well. This delightful property is within walking distance of all of the popular shops and dining options in Pawtuxet Village and to the shoreline of Narragansett Bay, which is lined with 2 marinas and picturesque Pawtuxet Park. Explore nearby Roger Williams Park, home of the acclaimed zoo, Carousel Village, and bike paths. This tranquil neighborhood is less than 10 minutes from TF Green Airport, the east side of Providence, and downtown Providence, and its renowned arts and culture. For more information, please visit the property website or call Mary O'Brien at area code 401-419-8296.